Hey there everyone! This question has been asked in the group, so I decided to make a video to share my opinions. Should I quit my day job or go full-time with affiliate marketing? It's a really good question, and it's one that has been asked a few times in the Affiliate Marketing Ninjas Facebook group. Before I share my thoughts on why you should not quit your day job just yet, I thought I would introduce to you a new series that I'm doing for the group called Affiliate Marketing Facebook Group Questions and Answers. Basically, I'll be going over frequently asked questions in the group and answering them as best as I can. Plus, it makes it easier because I can put this on my blog and link to it whenever these questions get asked. Okay, on to the question. Should you quit your day job and go full-time with affiliate marketing? If you're just starting out, or if you've been getting your feet wet as an affiliate, there's a good chance that you've watched a YouTube video or two, or maybe even read an article by some guru promising you instant riches. You may have even seen a bunch of webinars, purchased affiliate marketing course, or maybe you've already started and have a website that is making some money. There's gonna be a time where you start asking the question, should I quit my day job and put all my money and time into affiliate marketing? While some people will tell you to take the risk and fire your boss so you can go all in, I'm here to tell you why I think you need to do the opposite. You need to be smart, and by that I mean stick to your day job for as long as you can. The only time I recommend quitting your job is when you're making enough money online to cover living expenses and have money in the bank. You can definitely make a lot of money online, but I'm going to be 100% honest with you when I say things can go seriously bad extremely fast. Affiliate marketing is a roller coaster ride of many highs and lows. You can be making massive amounts of money one day and nothing the next. Here are some quick tips to help you make your decision and look at affiliate marketing in a more serious way. Take risks, but use your brain. I've been doing affiliate marketing for over a decade now, and when I first started, I stayed in my job for a couple of years before I quit. When my online income passed my income from my 9 to 5, I stayed in my job for a whole year. Trust me, I wanted to quit on a daily basis, but I have a family to think of, and it was my duty to keep a roof over their head and make sure there was food on the table. I knew I needed money in the bank for backup, and I needed to consistently make more money than my job for at least 6 months, just in case things went south. Now, if you're brand new to affiliate marketing, you have to realize some people don't make their first sales or even get their first paycheck for weeks, months, or some even over a year. You can make a lot of money as an affiliate marketer, especially if you work your ass off and find what works best for you. But you do need to be smart and have a backup plan if things do go bad, and here's an example. Back in 2012, I had a successful music site all about beat making software. It was bringing in around $3,500 per month, sometimes more, and it was one of my biggest sites at the time. I spent a ton of hours working on it, and I got it ranking for some really good keywords related to beat making. Things were going great, and I had big plans to sell that site for around $30,000 to $40,000 US. Yep, I was on my way to riches. Until, well, I was so close to selling this site, but little did I know that Google was about to release an update to their algorithm, which was called the Penguin Update. Back then, ranking a website was a lot easier. You could throw a bunch of shitty links at your money site and you'd see instant boosts in the search engines. But Google got smarter and made some serious changes that affected a lot of internet marketers using low quality backlinks and link farms. For my music site, I was using one of the larger link networks called buildmyrank.com. Unfortunately, that network got penalized by Google and the sites that were using their network got hit as well, mine included. So, my site went from making $3,500 or more per month to practically nothing overnight. As you can imagine, I was devastated. For a good 2 months, I was numb, scared to work on my other sites, scared to build backlinks, and literally it broke my heart. I was about to sell it for over $30,000, which is a lot of money. However, I was fortunate enough to have money in the bank and other websites that paid the bills. And no matter what I did to that site, I couldn't revive it. It was doomed. I put the site up for auction on Flipper and it sold for a measly $1,700. I learned a valuable lesson from this, and when I finally snapped out of the rut I got myself into after I sold the site, I decided it was time to take my affiliate business more seriously. From that day, I knew I had to focus on quality and stop taking shortcuts. This was a big turning point for me, and I'm actually glad that this site got penalized when it did, because ever since I've become a better marketer and have a better understanding of how search engines work. I also learned that things can go very bad and I don't have full control over everything, which is why it's important not to put all your eggs in the one basket. And what I mean by that is, don't just rely on Google for traffic. Be everywhere and make sure you build that email list, because Google can't take that away from you. So, when should you quit your day job? Again, only when you have the money in the bank and enough income coming in on a regular basis. The good thing about creating the niche affiliate sites that I teach to make is once you have them up and ranking, they can consistently make you money over and over again with very little ongoing work. I recommend focusing on one site in the beginning and mastering it. Once you have that site making some money, create another one and try to get that site making money as well. I personally like to have multiple sites. That way, if one does get penalized for some reason, or if something happens, I have backup sites that still make money. However, try not to make too many sites unless you can handle the workload. If you're working a 9-to-5 job, consider investing some of that money into content, building backlinks, or outsourcing. Grow your site and treat it like a real business. Which leads me to my last tip. Make sure you pay your taxes. Don't learn the hard way like I did and get a tax debt of over $30,000. Make sure you claim your tax on all the money you earn from your online business, because they will catch up to you. I honestly thought I was paying the right amount of tax, and I was on the income that my sites generated. However, in Australia, we have capital gains tax, something I didn't know of at the time. Because I sold some websites for 6 figures, I was meant to pay a percentage of that to tax. This was a very expensive lesson, but I'm here to tell you to make sure you sort your taxes out so you don't end up with a tax debt like I did. Okay, so let's recap on some of the advice I've mentioned in this video. Don't be scared to take risks, but make sure you be smart about the decisions you make. Always have a backup plan and an exit strategy. Get some savings in the bank. Don't rely on the one traffic source. Invest your money back into your website and on self-development. Build quality websites and don't take shortcuts. Work hard and don't be scared of failure. And make sure you pay your taxes and keep track of your money coming in and going out. Follow this advice before you think about quitting your day job, because your livelihood can depend on it. Thanks for watching. I hope these tips help you in some way. And don't forget to join the dojo, where you'll have access to our free training and dedicated forums. Simply register for a free account at dojo.amninjas.com. Have a great day.